You will need some cumin powder, onion powder, garlic powder, a cup of pinto beans that I have let soak overnight, one bay leaf, this is optional, some cayenne pepper, which is also optional. And last but not least, some paprika. And we have here 2 smoked turkey tails. And those could be optional. Just put some kind of smoked meat inside there. I will list portion size up there in the corner and down there in the description as well. Now, folks, let me tell you right here, when you're putting your 4 cups of water in, use measuring cups and not fluid ounces. Now, pay attention. This is the only time you want to give this a stir, because up until 7 hours, we don't want to do nothing to this but let it cook. We will be cooking this for 8 hours, but we're going to start off with 7 hours on low. The last hour we're going to turn to high. Y'all see when we get there. All right, now 7 hours in, we're going to switch this to high. We're going to also remove our lid. We're going to keep this lid off for the rest of the way. And we're going to also remove our bay leaf. Now, folks, this is also another time, if you want, you can go ahead and give this a stir and chop up your turkey tails into the bite-sized pieces you want. All right, folks, I am pretty much satisfied with these pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing do its thing for the next hour, and I will see you back here in the next hour. Now, this right here, this is what you're looking for. Now, if you want that thickness like I'm showing you, or I have showed you before, that creaminess, yeah, you don't want to eat this while it's this hot. We're going to let it stiffen up and cool off a little bit. And it's going to do it on its own. Just let it cool off just a little bit. You'll see what I'm talking about here in about 20 minutes. And there you have it, folks. Bon appetit. Nice and creamy pinto beans with turkey tails. Okay, look, I feel like I should shed a little bit more light on them. So look at that right here, more in the light. Nice and creamy, folks. This is what you want right here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.